Hello, Cambly learners. My name is Teacher Rosie, and I am a teacher on Cambly Kids. Today, we will be learning about weather, different kinds of weather. Number 1, hot. Number 2, cold. Number 3, sunny. Number 4, cloudy. Number 5, windy. Number 6, rainy. Number 7, snowy. Ready? Let's go. What's the weather like today? It is hot. I eat ice cream. I go swimming. What's the weather like today? It is cold. I wear a jacket. I wear a scarf. I wear gloves. What's the weather like today? It is sunny. I wear a cap. I wear a t-shirt. I wear shorts. What's the weather like today? It is cloudy. I go hiking. I ride my bike. What's the weather like today? It is windy. I fly a kite. What's the weather like today? It is raining. I use an umbrella. I wear a raincoat. I wear rain boots. What's the weather like today? It is snowy. I make a snowman. I go ice skating. Great job! You finished learning about weather. Today you learned 7 kinds of weather. Number 1, hot. Number 2, cold. Number 3, sunny. Number 4, cloudy. Number 5, windy. Number 6, rainy. And number 7, snowy. Great job today, and I hope to see you soon. For those who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, Cambly gives you instant access to amazing native English speakers who are kid-friendly just like me. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.